Claude Code version 2.1.31. 2 new features, 4 improvements, 5 bug fixes. Here's what shipped. 2 quality of life features. First, session resume hints. When you exit, Claude now shows you how to pick up where you left off. Second, Japanese IME support. Full width space input now works in checkbox selection. Small but meaningful for international users. 4 improvements across the board. Better system prompts, guiding the model to use dedicated tools like read and edit instead of bash commands. Clearer error messages showing actual limits, 100 pages for PDFs, 20 megabytes for requests. Reduced spinner jitter. And accurate pricing for third-party providers. 5 bug fixes. PDF files no longer lockup sessions, sandbox mode, bash errors, gone. Plan mode crashes, fixed. Temperature overrides now work in streaming. LSP shutdown compatibility resolved. Cleaner, more stable. Update now. Run Claude update to get version 2.1.31. 65,000 developers on GitHub. Subscribe for the next release.